Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. I hope you all are doing well. I'm just popping on real quick to do a mini haul. This is a mini haul from the day before Thanksgiving. And I know I'm putting this out. It should be Saturday when I put this out. So I just wanted to give y'all a quick little haul. We ran to several stores today. We were just out and about, me and my husband and daughter and son, and we're just shopping, just going to different stores, and I just happened to find what I've finally been looking for, and that was this little pom-pom. Actually, I got two. I got a gray one and a black one, and I had been looking for these for, I guess, about a month now, because I almost ordered them online from Amazon, but I went to the beauty supply store and they were there for $6.99. They were $9.99. They marked them down to $6.99, so I was happy about that, saving a few dollars. So these were just, they so cute. They are so cute. So that's that, and got them for charms for my purse. And also I got these earrings, but I am not using these as earrings. They're going to be charms for my purses. And I know I got on the trend late. Y'all, I do that all the time. Get on something late. But I just thought, for some reason, I've been liking these pom-poms. And I couldn't find them too much in the store. They've stopped selling them a lot of places. But I just think they are so cute still. And just wanted to get a couple for my purse. One for my black purse, one for my gray one. And so I'm going to do a little DIY. And I'm going to put these earrings, I'm going to make them into charms to also hang off the purse with this. So a little jiggly, a little bling bling for the purses. So, oh, I said these were $6.99, I think. So they were both $6.99. These were just $1.49. These here, and these are $1. Yeah, these are $1.49 too. Both $1.49. So I got those, and I'm just going to brush them probably with because you know these are not, of course, expensive. These are just some little cheap little earrings. So I'm going to put probably some clear nail polish on them to keep them from turning. And I'm just using them as charms, but they are so cute. So they'll stay looking like this. So yeah, you just have to be creative sometimes. And that's my second nature is for me is DIY. So, also we went to Plato's Closet, and I said I wasn't going to buy anything. I wasn't really looking for nothing, but I had been on the lookout. You know, you have things in the back of your mind that you know you want to get at some time or another, and I wanted another blue jean jacket, and I saw one. So this is a Gap blue jean jacket, and it looks brand new. I'm thinking if it was even worn, it was probably only worn 1 or 2 times, if that, because I mean, it doesn't even, it just, the denim is so dark and it's just so crisp looking, not even wrinkled. It just doesn't even, I'm thinking somebody wore it once, if that, and they don't have the original tags on, so that's what I'm kind of thinking of. Oh, no. This is brand new. This is brand new. Here's the original tag. This is the Play-Doh Closet tag. So this was $18, and y'all know y'all know I love to thrift shop, and this is secondhand, but it's new. Maybe that's why they got it at $18. But yeah, I love this jacket. It's, like I said, a Gap. It's from the Gap. It's Gap denim, and so cute. I hope I have this in the shot. But I love that. I love that. I was looking for a denim jacket, so found one. So got that. And then went to Ollie's, Good Stuff Cheap, and got some of these. These were in the aisle, or not in the aisle, but in the checkout line, and I could not pass them up. I love nut clusters. I don't care if I make them myself or if I find a good brand. And I think I've had these before. But these, the packaging looks so familiar. And I said, I know I've had these. And I'm hoping that the caramel is runny like that. So, you know, I make them on my own. Y'all probably seen some of my videos. But if I see a good one out, I will buy it. These were only $2.99. They were only $2.99, so I got those. And there are some things, even if I can make them, because sometimes I just don't have time. Like today we were out and running around, and sometimes I just don't feel like making nothing, or I don't have the ingredients on hand, and I just buy it. I'll just buy it. Case in point, one of my other favorite things. Oh, let me come back to this. Let's see. I got some of these vinyl gloves just to when I do my DIYs and I'm gluing and things like that. I got these at Ollie's. These were 99¢. I don't like the vinyl ones that you get in the store that are loose fitting, because you can get these also like at Kroger's, Walmart, and different things like that, but they're loose fitting. When I'm working with something, doing my DIYs and things like that, I don't need anything loose on my hands. I want something tight fitting so that I can grab the product, you know, really good and not have the vinyl or whatever flapping around. So these are Stanley brand, so they're really good. So got those for 99¢. And I don't want to turn this around. I got this for my granddaughter, so I don't think my daughter-in-law watches. I'm not sure. So I'm not going to turn this around. But this is something from Frozen. And my granddaughter's bathroom is Frozen. She loves Frozen. So I got her something cute. Something that she can use. Because when I was out there visiting, she lost that thing. So, but it wasn't a Frozen, it was something else. So I saw it in the store with the Frozen, you know, the girls on there and the all that. So I wanted to get that for her. And let's see here. Okay, so that's all from Ollie's. Went to another beauty supply. And I got this. I've been seeing this on YouTube and everything. This edge booster. This is supposed to be really, really good. I use Murray's edge wax, and you all have seen that I have a process to lay my edges down, which I still love. It is excellent, but I heard that this one was really good too. So when I hear about things, I like to try them just to see like which one is better, and I've heard this one is really good. So I just wanted to try it. Style Factor Edge Booster. And this is Sweet Shine. So I got that. Ran into Dollar General also. And like I was saying about these nut clusters, even though I can make stuff, sometimes I just don't feel like it. And if I know I like something, then I'll just grab it when I see it. And y'all know I love this lemon stuff here. They had the sprays on sale, buy one get one free, and y'all know I love that Glade lemon. That's about the spray and stuff I get. Like I said, I make DIY air fresheners and all that stuff, but I will buy Glade lemon in a heartbeat. I love this stuff. I love it. So the air fresheners, the spray aerosol can was buy one get one free. They were out of them. I was not happy. So anyway, I got two of these. These were $1 a piece. And I love those too. You can put those in your car, under your seat. And oh my goodness, when you open up the door, yeah. And then I got some more Broadway nail polish. Y'all know this is my favorite nail polish. This is Summer Bikini, but that is such a pretty color. It's number 37. And it is Summer Bikini. It's almost like a peachy pink, and it is so pretty. So pretty. So that's all. Just a little haul. Like I said, we were just running around. Oh, no. No, that's not all. I got a couple of bags here. Now this I'm going to be using coming up. So you will see this again. So this is for a project that's coming up that I'm going to be putting on putting on my channel. So I finally found one of these little red truck items, and I thought this was so cute. So I got that. Those were $1 a piece. Those were $1 a piece. Oh, I didn't tell y'all how much the nail polish was $1. Set the Glade was $1. The edge booster was about $2.49. I think it was $2.49. Okay, so this was $1. And then I got this. This was so cute. They had plenty of other styles. This is from Dollar General also. So if you all need gift bags for the holidays coming up, there you go. I'm getting so where I'm not a big rapper. I am not. My husband and daughter rap real good. I don't. I do not. And they talk about me at Christmas time. Every time they open a gift for me, they say, oh, this from mama. But anyway, yes. So these were $1. Like I said, I'm going to be having a project coming up. And if you all like to do gift bags and things, if you all, some of you all don't like to wrap, these were just $1. And I know wrapping is much cheaper because you can get wrapping paper real cheap. But if you just don't feel like it, because sometimes I've been up night before wrapping, you know, night before Christmas wrapping, and I just be mad and wrapping. So these help me out a lot. All right, so that's all. That is all. That's all from my little mini haul. So I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you all had a blessed Thanksgiving and that you got to see, you know, your relatives, friends, or whatever. You had some good turkey, a good meal. And just remember to thank God for all that you have. It's just important to be thankful. And just remember that sometimes anything that's going on in the world, unpleasant, you know, the homelessness and just different things that are going on around us, be thankful for what you have been blessed with. Be thankful for your family, your friends, your home, and everything. So I just want to remind you, and I know you all know, but just be thankful. Just be thankful. All right, guys. Love you all. Be blessed. If you are new here, subscribe. I would love to have you as part of the Tracie's Place family. Click that notification bell. If you're subscribed, you're going to get the notification every time I upload. So, yeah. And share this video if you'd like to share it. All right. See you guys next time right back here on Tracie's Place. Bye.